Okay, rise and shine. 6 o'clock in the morning, and here's Doc, ready to go 4-wheel driving up at Lithgow. What an ungodly hour. How are you, chap? Not bad. I thought I'd start filming now. What are you doing, Jack? You ready? I thought you'd be asleep in here. Alright, let's rock and roll. What time are you meeting the guys?
1:30. Tex?
1:30, alright.
No, up at tonight. Over the road.
You drive on up. I'll catch up with Mav and whoever else he's bringing along. Do you know the other guys or not?
No.
Trying even shining the road with your high beamers. Where are you going to go? Wakehurst Parkway or?
You reckon? I don't know.
Wakehurst Parkway. No Kentucky Open though, Jack. No KFC yet. We'll get it tonight, I think. Alright. We got Matthias. Where are we? IGA.
IGA. There you go, mate.
How are you, Mavericks?
Morning, Simon. How are we going?
Pretty good. Oh, geez, we've got everyone coming in.
Alright, man.
We're going for a whizzer.
No.
It's a bit dark.
I'm not getting closer to my car. You got a whole car pass.
I love being close.
And you park that close to my car, you can't even get
I
out of your
haven't seen
door.
you for a long time. I haven't seen you for a long time.
You're kidding.
I'm a bit lonely.
How are you, Jack? Going alright? Looking forward
He has
to
to
today,
outdo me
excited?
with his aerials. Well, you couldn't just fucking have one.
Mav loves his aerials. Hey, did you have the UHF on? We're trying to get you, but we
Yeah,
couldn't.
no, because 22 is a repeater channel. So
Ah.
you've got to go to 24.
Oh, he's talking on the repeater channel going, CQ, CQDX.
No, because as soon as I hit my thing, it just beeps straight away.
Oh, is that what it is? How many more cars waiting for? One more?
Just one.
It's going to be a little bit drizzly all day, I'd say.
You still got your pyjamas on, mate?
No.
See? Told
This
you.
is my jumper, and this is my long sleeve t-shirt.
No, those shorts look like pyjamas to me.
Told you,
They're all less short.
I told you Mavericks will be in shorts as well, so you don't have to worry.
Yeah.
We're all going to be in shorts. Alright, what's the first stop?
Lithgow Macca's.
Lithgow Macca's. Oh, okay.
No,
Stop.
Windsor Macca's.
Windsor.
Windsor Macca's.
Yeah. Hi Jules, hi everyone. My little camera. I know. See you, Jack. First pit stop is... Do they classify this as Windsor McDonald's? Doc, close your car please. I've got some high-end torches in there. Did they classify this as Windsor McDonald's? We won't be eating in. Because look at the tape everywhere. Can ya? Okay, let's rock and roll. How are ya? No. We're not going to be getting... Oh, it's raining everywhere.
That's the bomb.
Oh no. Oh god. Ah well. Let's make the best of it as we can. Jack.
Let's go, and we'll just do the playwork.
Matthew, Matthias' daughters, Matthias' friends.
So funny.
Social distancing.
Everything's fun.
Actually, I should take a video of this because this will end at some time. And
Matthew,
what's that? So we have Doctor's car, Maverick's car. I forget what the gentleman's car's name is. What's your friend's name, Mav? No, the other one?
Sorry?
What's the other friend? They're both Steve's. Mark.
The cruiser.
Mark in the cruiser. Steve in the Hilux. What's your car, Doc? And Doc in the Hilux as well. So 2 Hiluxes.
No, that's a newer Hilux. I mean,
What year model's yours?
no, 2006.
And what's that one you're in?
19.
19. Wow.
Last year, year before, 18.
Thank you. You wouldn't want to wreck that on the 4-wheel drive tracks today.
Jack developed
I want you to have.
that's the bull bang with the wraparound chair.
Are they
Alright.
good?
Are we ready to go? We're ready to rock and roll. Hey, good, I'm filming, I've got Stevie Wonder in the background.
You've got 2 in the very back, 2 in the middle.
Big family affair.
It is. That's good. It's been a while since we've had such a big group going out anywhere. We used to have this all the time when we were younger, but we don't seem to have it now with groups.
The next generation.
Next generation. Have they got 2 sets of twins?
Who?
Yeah, twin Mark. Are they twin boys and twin girls? Okay. They look
Twin
very
girls,
similar.
No, none of them are twins.
Oh, aren't they? Oh, okay. Yeah, what's the years apart?
Jacqueline's 17, 18.
Oh, okay.
Cam's same age as, then Brooks the same age as Jess. Cam's Taylor.
Oh,
and
okay.
Anthony's 12. And Cam. Same age as Jack.
And Jack.
10. Yeah.
Oh, a few people, a few friends to play with today.
In the mud.
Straight up here, girls. Yeah, they have. Lucky I did the walk earlier this year, otherwise I'd struggle to get down there.
Was this here already?
No, when me and Jules did it, we just had the seat. You can go climb on in the train if you want to, girls. In the train, then the carriage train, you can walk on through it. No. No, they're fixing it up again. They're trying to get the zigzag back and going. They got money from the government last year, and then the fires came through early this year. They stopped them again. So. Rotted out inside.
It's been burnt out inside, has it?
Yeah, it's probably burned out.
I've been trying to burn it.
We all get busted. We all get busted.
We're getting busted.
No, it's just legal, mate. Well,
Yeah,
we all together, so what's the matter?
there's no signs,
It's
yeah.
not illegal.
Tell you what, when I went down there earlier this year, I walked all the way down the bottom points. You just should have seen the zigzag community go off at me on YouTube. Yeah, there were signs there, you walk through. I said, so what? I said, you allowed the track to get into disrepair, you allowed all the trains to get graffitied. I said, look at yourselves before you look at anyone else.
Yeah.
Actually, did you see the farm we passed that had all the red rattlers on it?
Yeah, I know, yeah. That looked fantastic.
I couldn't actually been on this as a kid.
Yeah, you never know, yeah. Absolutely. Thanks, careful you don't fall through. Tickets, please. Tickets. Come on, Jules, you coming through? Yeah, but you got to come through and have a look. Come on through. Julesy, don't be scared. Come on. No, just don't fall through the manholes.
Yeah, that would be. God, that's unbelievable.
Yeah, no, I think you can actually sit in the front seat there and pretend you're driving the train. These were never cordoned off. Oh no, there's a keep. Oh no, that's a keep out from the back of the station sign.
Okay, how old is that?
Yeah, all damaged by kids. They're all walking around the rusty loco.
Are you serious?
Come on, Jules. Look who's behind you there. Keenan Loves Jen, 2016, Jules. Don't fall through.
I don't want to fall at all.
Actually, we can walk up to the mouth now of the Zigzag Railway. So we can hop down and coming on through. All the kiddies are coming as well. Oh, we didn't wait for those guys. Shit.
I did see them, I know.
I didn't see. Sorry guys, I thought you were with us. We would have waited for you.
Well, where were you?
I thought they were with us. Oh, yeah. You want to come in with him, or because there's some manhole covers, so you might want to walk through with him.
Do you want to go in or not go in?
Yeah, call him through. It's really cool up in there. Just be careful of the holes in the middle of the part there. You want to go up there? No? Come this way where the door is, and you'll see Daddy come out this side over here. Can you see him in the windows there? Have a look in the windows there. We're going to walk up to the mouth?
Alright, how am I going to get... I don't want to get my butt wet. My head is so cold. My leg hurts.
Remember we used to start when we took on the dock up at Newcastle?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I don't have...
Cause look at that. So there were the signs when we came up here earlier this year, and they said no walking behind because there was falling trees. They're cutting down all the loose trees now.
There you go, there's a bit of history for you.
Yeah. And the old bolt. Yeah. Alright, let's go up here. Let's go see if the kangaroo's still in the middle of the tracks. Just coming up to the mouth of the tunnel. Looks like there's a bit of maintenance been going on trying to fix the tracks from all the fires earlier on this year. The girls have all got their torches. Tell them not to go in too far. Yell out to them, Doc. Tell them they're not walking the whole tunnel. It's quite long.
Hey guys, not walking the whole tunnel. How long is the tunnel?
I'm not sure exactly. It probably takes about 15 minutes to walk through. But there's nothing on the other side. So.
You walked it before?
Yeah, I walked earlier this year all the way down to Bottom Point. So we did the actual zigzag track all the way down. So we stopped at all the stations and stuff like that. So.
How long's that?
Oh, it took us 6 hours to do everything. All the way along. That's on YouTube if you ever want to look at it.
Oh, fine.
They're going. Is everyone else coming? Yeah, okay. It's changed so much from the time we were here in 2018. How much damage? From the time we were here in 2018, how much it's changed, you know, from the fire that's gone through and that. See the little locomotive up there, Mav, that we all sat in? Yeah, they're taking the top. There's a tree fell on top of it. The top of it's all caved in. Look how close the fire came. It got this little thing here.
Yeah, all these gardens.
All these gardens, yeah, all the fence here. but they managed to save the station. And they've moved the trains. Remember the trains that we walked through?
Yeah.
Yeah, the medic trains?
Yeah.
Yeah, they moved them. Well, the kids were smashing it. So, where'd they go? Down here? Oh, it's looking dark over there. Mavericks! Mavericks! Mav!
That's security.
Live images of you are being viewed by our security center. Patrol has been dispatched. Leave the premises immediately.
That's exactly the same one that was on the other side of the tunnel when we worked earlier this year. We're down here at Blast Furnace Park at Lithgow. The majority of people decided to take a piss break. Mavericks has got his drone up in the air. Doc and myself are going to head up here, up to this little vantage point looking over the whole park. You're struggling to get up there, Doc. Is it slippery? You know what you need? You need thongs, because thongs actually grip onto the little bits of... No, but they do, don't they grip? Don't the pebbles stick into the sole of the thong?
Well, yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Shoes, with shoes, it just slides. How cold do you reckon it is? 5? 5 degrees. Here we go. Blast furnace number 2. If you're ever down at Lithgow, pop into Blast Furnace Park. There's some really interesting old buildings or remnants of walls of what once used to be here. Awesome. Is someone still waiting to get into the toilet? There was a queue of about 15 people to get into the toilet. You can see the mountain up there. The fire had gone through earlier this year. You can see every rock. Can you imagine standing here when that fire roared through, Doc? Oh, no. It would have looked incredible up on that mountaintop there, on the ridge.
Scary as hell.
Especially for the houses down there.
But even if it hit the houses, it would have just come straight through across.
That's across to here.
I mean, look at it. Look at it from there. Look at it, because you've got fire there.
Yeah, yeah, fire all around.
And then...
Yeah, I know. Fire all around up there. And as you go around, like I said, imagine standing here, you would have had a ring of fire around you. Scary stuff. Well, that won't go up for a while now. I'll be happy. Alright, we'll get down over there and hit some of the tunnels, I think. What do you think of the toilets, Jules? Did the man tell you how long you got to go in there?
No, I didn't get a warning on.
Did he say 10 minutes?
I felt pressure.
You had pressure, I know. What did he give you, 10 minutes? I mean, he said you got 10 minutes before you have to exit.
10 minutes.
Are we going up that way? Are those stairs safe?
Yeah, we've been up and down.
Have you been up and down? I suppose they wouldn't leave them here if they weren't.
We might wait down here.
Did you see the sign up there of how many people were here when they were working? Have a look at this sign up here. And how many people were standing around this spot. Very interesting. Everyone would have been working here back in the day. This sign here, yeah. Have a look at all the people standing around. Yeah, isn't that a lot of people? It looks like something out of Harry Potter. It doesn't look real. So this, what we're standing in at the moment, is this thing here. So if you look at so that building there, see the arch windows, the round window and arch window. So you go round, arch, a little bit falling off there. Yeah, on this side you can see. So you've got the arch, round and arch window here.
Where are the tunnels?
Where's what? Tunnels around the other side here.
Go in there.
Yeah, we'll go in. It says not to go in, but we'll go in a little bit.
Can I go in?
I don't know, we'll wait till a few people come down.
What's your YouTube channel?
There's Doc. Yeah, did you take a picture of Doc or not? That's something like Arnold Schwarzenegger was in. Hang on, I'll come up, Doc, I'll get a video of you.
No, this is not. Don't do that.
Tunnels are around that way, so if you walk around that side, we'll go through the tunnels.
Well, I just said that. I'll probably be the one. What tunnel are we going through?
There's a little bit. Just wait till a few parents come around, just in case.
Okay.
But you'll see the entries of them around there.
Are they open, the tunnel?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, if you head around that way, you'll see. Is Doc still on that molten thing? Tell him to hang there. I'll take a video of him. They're sketchy stairs. Can you imagine how many people back in the day went up and down, up and down, up and down to these? What was this? Like a brick? Was it a brick place?
No, smelting. That's where they bought all the iron.
Do you want to jump down the way in through that tunnel that we did before?
Yeah, which way do we go down?
This way over here. The kids are already down there. It's either where you are there, Mav, or up on this one. It might be up on this one.
Huh?
Did he take a picture of you or not?
No.
Hang on.
This is awesome, this flag. This is unreal.
I know, great. Alright, hang on now. You look like, is it the ball? There's someone on like a ball? Like Schwarzenegger or something?
You're still on public roads, we're not on...
Alright. What road are we hitting, Doc?
Glowworm Tunnel Road.
Okay, we're finished down here at Blast Furnace Park. We've had a nice tour of the place with everyone. We're going to give the wetlands a miss. And we're heading Glowworm Tunnel Road. Everyone's going to go to the Glowworm Tunnel. So we're going to bid farewell to Lithgow. Ready, Jack?
Yeah, I got a souvenir.
I don't know if you're allowed to take that. Better put it in your pocket before someone sees you. Alright, we are heading Nune State Forest. How much longer to the Glowworm Tunnel? 25 k's to the Glowworm Tunnel. Straight down here.
Alright, you leave us on this. You pick the trail. You pick the trail, we'll follow you. Considering I'm not the best driver.
Oh no! Oh! Settle down. We don't need any accidents up here. We're a long way from home, Dorothy.
I just cleaned that puddle for you, Mark.
Dorothy, we're a long way from home. What's happening to the CB radio? We clicked it on a different station. Someone seems to be setting off some parts.
Who's farting in the fucking TV?
Are the guys behind us?
Very quiet, Stephen.
Down here at the Glowworm Tunnel car park, and it was a bit of a mess here a minute ago. We just could not move, and a whole group of guys in their four-wheel drives have just left. There's a bit more room down here now, but it's not very well organised. So most days that you get down here, it's just jam-packed. And from here starts the Glowworm Tunnel track, and it says it's an hour return, so we've got kiddies with us today, so they might struggle. Sounds like it. Impressive. World Heritage Gardens of Stone National Park, the greatest Blue Mountains World Heritage Area, 1 million hectares of unspoilt Australia. Here's the sign, Glowworm Tunnel Track, Globum Tunnel, 2 kilometres an hour return. And the Wolgan Valley Circuit, that takes you down to Nunes, I'm pretty sure, where the coke ovens and the paraffin sheds are 4 hours return. Did you read the sign there? It said no kids. You guys, I think, will have to stay up here. What, are you going to defy orders? Look at that down there, wow. Careful. Let's go, Jules.
Oh, yep, all good.
Straight down here.
Oh, is this the way we're going?
That's where we're going.
Thank you.
I'll let you girls go down first.
Gosh.
Get your good side.
Yeah, that's it.
You alright to come on down?
Yes.
Nice and see.
They're pretty good steps, actually.
Yeah, not too bad.
Better than the one up there.
If I can do it in thongs, you girls can do it in your shoes.
Yeah. Thank you.
We can't have you dropping that coffee now, can we?
Oh, no.
Thanks, mate.
Cheers.
Picturesque.
Isn't it nice?
Absolutely, rainforest. Stunning. Could be a lot more.
You're right, Michelle.
Who's right? You're right, coming over here. We're going to walk upstairs now.
Yep. Oh, check that out.
How cool that looks.
That does look very cool.
Very good.
Can I come on this side, baby? Yeah, it's a muddy puddle. There's definitely a rainforest. It's raining on my head.
Yeah. Very damp. I see you've walked a little bit now, 10-15 minutes. Have you warmed up a bit?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's once you walk and you...
Blood starts pumping.
Yeah, the blood starts pumping, exactly. You don't feel as cold. You okay?
Yeah, this is good.
She loves walking upstairs. Easy up and down.
Where's Jules today?
Who's what, sorry? Jules? I think she's having a birthday party for her stepdaughters. I think she was having them over. She would have come possibly if it was yesterday, but today she had a few things on.
Oh, check out the water on the park.
Oh no, that's going to be hard to navigate. Good for Chiz, you can clean his feet,
Yeah, that's right. You're
but for you girls not so much. You're going to get your feet wet a little bit here.
This is where we need our gum boots.
Sure is. God, the others are long gone.
I know. This is me all the time on the bushwalk again.
Yeah.
It's so far.
Once they start leaving, they're just quick to get there and then they're quick to get home.
Yeah.
What's your friend's name? We'll just wait for her a little bit.
Michelle, you alright? Yeah, we're good.
Alright. We'll make sure we stay inside of you.
I stepped in one puddle, but it's like a river. Like, oh, that's not like deep, but it's pretty cold. So I hopped out.
The pagoda track. What was that?
Glowworm Tunnel car park. That way. What car park's that?
Maybe you head around the back. Might be a different one.
Yeah.
Glowworm Tunnel, Wongan Valley Car Park, Old Coach Road. I think we'll stick to the left here.
Yes, you're right.
Look at all these cut pieces of wood trees. Not much water down there.
That's exactly right.
I know. It should be normally filled with water, I'd say. There is a little bit up the creek there, but not much. Mustn't have rained here very heavy. Got the glowworm tunnel. Please help look after this. What does it say? Take your rubbish with you. Give the glowworms a go. Keep the lights and no noise low. Well, my torch is not going to be any good then.
No.
Rock surfaces and vegetation are protected. Keep to form tracks. So this is we're at the mouth of it, are we?
We must do, but no torches, kid.
Oh, no bright torches. It says keep them low.
Oh.
Have to need something to navigate our way through.
Look at this.
Problem is, see, with no torches, I can't film. Better off if we come here at night. No one will be here, then we can.
Keep the lights and noise low. Please don't touch glowworms.
Keep the lights and noise low. Alright, I'll have to put it on a lower setting, but I'm not going to be able to film, unfortunately. I think that was the same problem I had a decade ago when I came here. Alright, let's head on in and see what this is going to be like. Yeah, I'm not allowed to put it up right, I don't think, because the sign says keep them low. I won't be able to film though. Got it on 2,000 odd lumens. See if we can film a little bit like this. Keep the torches low. You don't like walking the high road. You get better grip walking out through the stream. I don't think we're too far away now. Finally reached our destination for today, which is the glowworm tunnel up here at Lithgow. provides a lot better content actually walking through where the creek runs. All the different coloured rocks. That's me. Shoot. I'm going to turn it down. Is that better? Oh, they're above us, are they? Oh, okay, hang on, I'm going to turn it off. Wait till they come up here. Yeah, see, I can't pick them up at all.
Oh, look. Yeah, look at them all.
Where?
Over there.
Oh, yeah, no, on the wall there, yeah. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't pick them up. Yeah, no. I'll pause here. And maybe there might be a... Last time I came here was...
Look at that. Can you see them now? Turn yours off, yeah.
Yeah, you can see them a little bit, but it's not going to pick up on the camera. You can pick it up on the eye, but not on the camera. What I'll do, I'll put the red light on.
Hold on. Turn yours off again for a minute.
Yeah, I can see him now, but it definitely won't be picking up on the camera.
Mine do. Oh no, not now. We've got
Nah.
light on. Flash off.
You got what? I think there'll be more.
Look at that.
Yeah, I can see them lit up. Yeah, there's more on the roof. Yeah, I can see them on there, on the side wall there. Let's go down. I'm sure there'll be some on the roof. You want to take it? Hang on, let me go forward, and I'll get out of the way. Yeah, the unfortunate thing with the glowworm tunnel is people want your torch off, and with the torch off you can't quite get the glowworms. You got it? Can you see where you go? Tough. Thanks, guys. Well, I think I'll have to pause now because it just keeps on going and going and going. You can see that oasis in the end there. It comes out. Actually, we're nearly to the end, so we'll just keep it running until we get to the end point. God knows where everyone is. Nice and cool walking through this water. I'll give you the tip. Okay, we're nearly to the end. And that's what the mouth looks like. Look at it, this oasis that comes out there. Stunning.
There's a pathway down there.
Stunning. Look how beautiful it is. Got a waterfall right above us. How beautiful is that? It's a bit dirty. Looks like it's dirty from the steel or something.
So was this a railway or something?
A railway line, yeah. That leads down to Nunes, where the coke ovens and the paraffin sheds and all the stuff they used to do down there. Oh, hey, Jack.
Hi.
Finally seen some life. I was walking through there by myself. I thought, where did you guys end up?
Did you get some? I actually got some photos.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I didn't get any footage of the glowworm. Yeah, they don't pick up on camera. Oh, the idiots have graffiti down there. I don't know. Terrible. They are bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. Right, we're in the creek bed here. Underneath. I'm going to follow the creek down. As long as it's not too deep, it'll be sweet. Only me with the thongs. Oh. Jack, you fall down and get washed down, we're not getting you. We're going to leave you here.
No, I didn't.
Is there a cave up there? Okay, well that's the tour of the glowworm tunnel cave and the little stream that comes out on the other end. Yo! Yo! I reckon I can climb up there, or will I slide down? Hang on, let me see if I can go up there.
You guys should subscribe to Chitters.
Yeah, you should subscribe.
Subscribe to Optimus Prime.
That's it. Whoa.
Yes.
How cool is this, huh, boys? Look at this.
Can I see you, Captain?
Get in front of me so I can film you. Let's go around the corner there, see where it goes to. Careful.
There's a little cave down here.
There is too, look at that. Ready? I'm going to turn it on full blast.
What the hell I see?
Goes all the way down. You going around the other? Yeah, come out the other side here. Can you get up here through here, Jack? Boys, can you come up through here?
Yeah.
There you are. You're going to get so dirty. Fair dinkum. Your parents are going to hate you. Well done. Go, Jack. Alright, let's head a little bit further down here.
I want to go back into that water.
Yeah, we will. Once we go down here, see how far it goes. It's probably just going to come to an end, and then we'll head back. Nice. Don't be careful. Don't get too close. It looks like a bit of a drop there.
Hey, go back?
Yeah, go back, I think. You want to head down there again?
No.
Head down there again. I'll film you getting down, and I'll film you coming up the other side. It's like something out of Rambo 3. Hang on before you head down. Wait till I get closer. Alright, boys. Go explore. See what's down there. Go, Jack. Watch your head. Watch your head. Alright, I'll see you on the other side. You should see the cave back here, Doc. You should see the cave back here. Oh, awesome. The kids have gone from one end to the other.
Oh, wow. And goes all the way to the other side.
What about down that way, Jack? Does it go on any further down that way or not?
You're done. Can we come down?
Yeah, come on down. Just watch your head, though.
I
Where does that bit go from there? Does it come out anywhere?
can just stand here. Yeah, come. Yeah, it goes all out there.
Is it?
That's a great torch.
It's not a bad little torch, is it? You going to come down here? Alright, you guys have fun in there.
Too tall to be down there.
Yeah, I know. Come on, let's head back. I reckon we can cross the river down there. I might slip down here.
Oh, yo. Mom! Dad! There's a massive cave down there.
You going to get through? Yeah, be careful.
Oh, Dad.
Do it, Jack. River crossing.
Stay fun.
Do it for your country. Do it for fresh water. Do it for fresh water. Oh, nice. I can clean my feet.
I can clean my
Look how nice it looks down there. Oasis, Jack. It's an oasis.
Don't get your feet under. You don't want water in your boots, yeah?
Is this
Don't. Out now.
Is this
Out now.
okay?
Just going to get these out.
Come on, Jock, that's where we're going to head back up.
Why can't I go that way?
As I said.
Come on this way. When your father speaks, you listen. Oh.
You know, you're freezing. You'll have freezing feet when you're losing. You're all got to put up with it.
I think I got some great footage all the way through. Everyone's standing on the track here eating.
Dad, do I have any food? Where?
What happened to Steve?
They went back.
They went back today? Alright.
It's a long walk up.
What are we eating, Jules?
Just some veggies and fruit.
Very good. Expect to see us all on YouTube next week.
I'm going past there or stop.
What'd you say, Doc? I can't hear. Wait till I come out. I got no. Yeah, the other one, the Oxford tunnel's heaps longer. Can't hear you. It's too echoey. Wait till they come up. Alright, we've gone up and back the glowworm tunnel here in Lithgow. We managed to get some footage inside this time around. 10 years ago when I did this, I did not have a torch capable of filming inside the tunnel. Today, I got the camera out. Why, who nearly fell over? Oh, really? Why would you hop on that? That's all... wobbly. Yeah, wobbly. Oh, okay. Well, it would make good camera if you do good camera footage if you fell over. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, she did it.
Good recovery.
Good balance, Jacqueline.
Well done.
No, it's alright, guys.
Well done. What were you saying before? The Oxford Tunnel what?
It's a railway stick, but
Yeah, sleepers.
looks like a railway stick.
Oxford Tunnel what?
Yeah, how long is it to take?
1.5 kilometres. Yeah, 1.5. It's what they classify, if you read the website, the grandioso of all 7 tunnels down on the south coast. Nothing's bigger than...
That one's only 400 metres.
Oh, this one's only 400? Oh, okay. But it's just so nice when you walk out the other end. It's just... Yeah, it's oasis, isn't it? You reckon this has all been washed down? This would be a river at times, wouldn't it?
Oh, yeah.
All through here.
Yeah, it's got nowhere else to go. So
I know.
come straight down here.
It's got nowhere to go.
We have to try and find, before we leave, we have to try and find the lost city. There's a truck that takes us straight to like glowworm tunnel.
This would be part of this, something to do with this train, wouldn't it? That.
I don't know if that was put there after for
Drainage?
water run off that
Yeah,
way.
maybe.
To pick up that creek. Look at the landslide there. Blocked it all off.
I know. This creek that runs along this, it's empty now, but there is a little bit that flows a little bit further. That's beautiful.
Have you seen the little cave that goes on there?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, yeah. Wait till you see the footage of the one that Jack and the boys went down. That was unbelievable.
That tree's not going to be as much longer, is it? That's coming down.
Now all these will fall down one day. We have concluded
What's that?
our walk back to the car park. It doesn't seem to be any more busier than it was. If anything, there's less cars. And now we're going to hit the old Bells Minor Road. Hear the train? That's cars, is it? sound like the train on the other side of the cutting. Oh, it's the car, is it? That sounds like the train.
Cheers, go and get in the photo.
All right.
I'm trying to get them all in the photo.
Yeah, try to get us all in the photo, Joss.
Yeah. Matt.
See you later from Glowworm Tunnel Car Park. Alright, just leaving Glow Tunnel Car Park. Matthew, I hope you're aware how close we are to the cliff here. I'll have to put this in here so we don't get much wind.
Have you guys went through the Glowworm tunnel yet? I mean the tunnel yet?
No, we're not there yet.
Okay.
How far up was it here, remember?
Pretty far off.
How far up it was. You're recording? He's recording. Jack's recording.
I'm not recording yet.
Oh, you're not recording it?
Can we record now?
Pretty sure you have to turn around the other way, Jack. The record button has to be on the right. It's turn upside down. Turn around the other way completely. The whole phone around the other way.
Just turn the fucking on-off button.
Yeah, around the other way. Keep it going.
I hope you can fix it.
Keep it going around the other way.
There you go.
No, the other way. Turn around the other way.
Turn it upside down.
No.
No.
Yeah,
Yes.
the way.
Oh,
Yeah, you
yes.
got it now.
Oh, yes.
Now, when you hit the record button, it'll feel properly and not upside down.
That's not how I feel it.
Yeah, but it'll be upside down otherwise if you put it on the computer. It'll look okay on the telephone, but on the computer it'll be upside down. You then have to rotate it right. Oh, yeah! Not a huge fan of four-wheel driving, I must admit.
Go on.
Because the old body doesn't like it too much.
You don't like full driving?
Well, I wouldn't do it every week.
I'm like,
There they are. They're up there. At least they should tell us if someone's coming down the other way so we don't hit them. Like, that's true. The tunnel was a fair way up. Car, you ready, Jack? Car coming.
yeah. 3.
Put your high beamies on.
Hang on, just wait.
I'll see you.
Car coming through, Matty.
Roger. There he is. Let these three guys through. How many did you say? 1 or 2?
Just one of them.
I heard one of them say the tunnel.
Are you guys in the tunnel yet?
Yep, just coming in now.
Yep. It's hard to keep going from now. It's hard to keep drive cams straight without it going from side to side. It's going to give someone a headache.
I'm going pretty good.
Can you sort of like drive the car a little bit smoother, Matthew?
Oh yeah, wish. That'd be a plot, I think. There we go.
There it is.
Oh, edit.
Stick those high beams on. Oh, jeez. Woo! And that concludes the day from the Glowworm